Not all doors and windows are created equal, and here to share the information on why is Jamie Brenneman from Chattanooga Exteriors. We are on the deck in the showroom this morning. Jamie, thanks for having us.
Oh, thank you.
All right, we're talking about doors and windows. Let's start with doors. Tell me about this little guy.
Yeah, so this is a ThermaTru Fiberglass door, and so the beauty of this is it looks like wood, but it performs like a composite door and a fiberglass door that it is. So you can get the look of wood, but without all the maintenance and problems and the hassles that come along with wood doors. Wood doors look beautiful. They're one of a kind, but they come along with a lot of problems.
Right.
And so if you have an exposed front door, you're going to get problems after problems, and you're going to have maintenance every year or every other year with that door.
All right, talk to me about styles, sizes, window options. I mean, really the sky's the limit, right?
Yeah, so everything is fully customizable. We've got standard sizes, but we have custom sizes that come along with every door. You have some limitations as far as how big or how small you can make a door, but that's pretty much anything that you get now. And so you can get full window, like full glass in a door.
Speaking of windows, tell me about windows.
Yeah, so we have this Andersen window, and it is also a composite window itself. So the beauty about this is it performs like no other window. It is a composite window, and so this is black, and it's made into the material. So a lot of black windows that you see are actually they're painted, and so where this window, it's made in the material. So this finish will last you 20 years is what the warranty is on it. Where most vinyl windows that you get that are painted black are only warranty for 10 years. So you get really this window looks like a wood window, but performs like a vinyl window because it doesn't expand and contract like a wood does.
Right.
Yep.
So you have the durability, you have the long lasting. Now, I personally love this style of window, the way it opens out. But I mean, you have multiple styles if you want the traditional sliding up, open out, not. I mean, I guess all windows have to open, but you've got all the styles.
Yeah, so you can have a picture window where it doesn't open at all, and those you can get up to 8 foot by 8 foot. I mean, huge, big windows. You can get this one, which is a casement, which cranks out, and a lot of people are going with this because it offers more full light that comes in, or you have the traditional double hung window that goes up and down, and then you have gliding windows that go side to side. And so there's a lot of different ones, and they're all customizable. So we can come to your house and say, hey, I want this window right here, I want this window right here, I want and so not all windows have to be the same.
Right. You can mix and match styles.
Oh, yeah.
And if you're not sure what style you want or what style would look best, you can help us with that as well.
Yeah. Just give us a call, 805-3800, or go to our website, ChattanoogaExteriors.com, and fill out the contact form, and we'll come out and get you help.
Perfect. All right, Jamie, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
All right, we'll see you next time on The Deck.